We have a big breaking news coming in from Jammu's Sambal area. Amid back-to-back terror attacks in Jammu, Maha decides to station National Security Guard, which is the NSG, in Jammu. A special component of the NSG permanently established in Jammu will be to act on terror attacks in a few minutes, in minutes. And teams of NSG will work in coordination with Special Operation Group, which is the SOG Jammu, for anti-terror operations. NSG has also completed audit of all vital installations in and around Jammu. It is for the first time since the start of terrorism that NSG will be permanently stationed in Jammu and Kashmir. This will be the first time that the NSG, the National Security Guard, will be permanently established in Jammu and Kashmir, despite the terror threats that the state has been facing for yesteryears. And the move comes amid back-to-back terror attacks in Jammu. Right. We're also being joined by our reporter from Ground Zero, Gursimran. Hi, Gursimran. Could you tell us more about this deployment? What does this look like? And what can this mean for India's security situation in the ever so turbulent Jammu and Kashmir?
See, this is a big decision that has been taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, that they have decided to permanently station the team of the National Security Guard in Jammu. This has been decided after back-to-back terror attacks that have taken place in Jammu region. We are told that the teams of the NSG arrived here in Jammu. It was somewhere the last week of the October when the teams arrived, though at that time it was not decided that the NSG will be permanently stationed. They conducted the security audit of all the vital installations, be it the civilian vital installation or the security vital installations in the Jammu region. And then now it has been decided that the NSG will be permanently stationed in Jammu region. It is to tackle any kind of contingency rising out of the terror incidents in the Jammu region. Reason being that there have been an number of incidents that have taken place in the last couple of years in the Jammu itself. Now the terrorists are trying to shift their base from the Kashmir Valley to Jammu region to carry out multiple terror attacks. And that was why it was taken really very seriously by the Ministry of Home Affairs, and now multiple small teams of the NSG have been permanently stationed. How they will work? They will be working in coordination with the Special Operations Group of the Jammu. The SP-SOG will be overall coordinating officer for all the operations, and they will be working in close liaison with the Special Operations Group, because Special Operations Group will be working with all the 10 districts. And now this is for the first time since the start of terrorism that NSG will be deployed. For more, stay tuned to Republic TV.